Caleb Burns, and this is my persuasive speech. Smoking kills. I am sure that all of you have heard this phrase a million times before. Even with the obvious health risk, millions of people choose to light up a cigarette every day. Smoking is very popular in the United States. At almost every gas station, there are many ads about why you should buy cigarettes. However, the smoke from cigarettes has life-threatening chemicals in them. Kids are smoking and being influenced. Smoking is awful because it causes negative effects on a person's health, their appearance, and their influence to the others around them. Firstly, smoking is bad for a person's health. Out of the people who die from lung cancer, approximately 85% were previously frequent smokers. Cigarette smoke contains over 4,800 chemicals, 69 of which are known to cause cancer. Secondhand smoke contains over 7,000 chemicals, including 70 cancer-causing chemicals. Some of these dangerous chemicals include acetone, acetic acid, ammonia, cadmium, carbon monoxide, lead, menthol, and the highly addictive nicotine. The smoke and tar that is produced from cigarettes is the main cause of lung cancer with people today. On the side, the smoke that is caught in your mouth and throat can lead to alternate cancers such as mouth and throat cancer. Overall, about 11 different cancers can be associated with the simple act of smoking. People who smoke are approximately 2 to 4 times more likely to develop heart disease. One important factor that's frequently ignored on the topic of smoking is secondhand smoking. When children are exposed to secondhand smoke, it can lead to ear infections, asthma, respiratory symptoms and infections, and an increase in risk for sudden infant death syndrome. When adults are exposed to secondhand smoking, it can greatly increase the risk of acquiring lung cancer or even heart disease. Annually in the United States, secondhand smoking is the cause of 46,000 deaths among non-smokers by heart disease. Non-smokers who are exposed to secondhand smoke at home or work increase their lung cancer risk by 20 to 30%. Smokers die significantly earlier than non-smokers, 13.2 years earlier for men and 14.5 years earlier for women. Secondly, smoking is bad for a person's appearance. Smoking has a negative effect on a person's appearance by causing bad teeth, premature wrinkles, and even hair loss. Cigarettes interfere with the normal functioning of gum tissue cells, leading to all kinds of dental problems. The long-term effects can include bad breath, tooth discoloration, swelling of the salivary glands, and the buildup of both plaque and tartar. Cigarettes literally speed up the skin's aging process, which means that it causes premature wrinkles that a person of a certain age should not have. For example, if you compared a 30-year-old woman who has smoked for 10 years to a 30-year-old who is a non-smoker, the woman who has smoked for 10 years will most likely appear much older than the non-smoker. Cigarettes can also lead to extreme factors such as hair loss. Studies show that the toxins that are included in cigarettes can lead to a person losing their hair more frequently. Surprisingly, smoking can also directly affect a person's vocal cords. This can lead to a raspy voice as well as extreme pain when trying to talk. Lastly, smoking negatively can affect you by causing you to instill a bad influence on others. Kids can see you smoking and think that it is the cool thing to do. When children see their parents or even relatives smoking, they automatically accept it as the okay thing to do. Children never think about the endless health and appearance issues that can occur if they decide to try cigarettes. When people get together in a group, they frequently talk about the good things that come across from smoking. The truth is that cigarettes do literally nothing to benefit your health or the people's health around you. The influence on smoking on people is bigger than what you think it is. All in all, smoking is a very bad habit for someone to have. It negatively affects your health, appearance, and even your influence on the people around you. When I think of smoking, I think of all the different ways that people each day are hurt by smoking. Each year, approximately 443,000 people die prematurely directly from smoking or secondhand smoke. This makes it the leading cause of death of people in America. The next time that you consider lighting up a cigarette, consider the bad things before continuing. These bad things should outweigh the good and should leave you thinking, is it really worth it?